I'm gonna give you the first bite test.
I look scary right now. Sick.
Okay. I'm gonna just piss you off. I'm sorry. I'm so fucking sorry. I had to piss you off first. You're like, I'm not watching the rest of it. But cheers. First bite. Looks pretty. What the hell? Okay. Anyway, first bite. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. This is my first tuna melt I think I've ever had. I mean, it ain't my best work, but it's honest work, so it's pretty good. I use that like plastic cheese though, so you know it's like and the bread, you know, but it was free tuna. It's like, good night.